This is Cameron.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
It's a nice skateboard you got.
Wait, did I talk to you before?
No, thank you. Every convo before this was ass until now.
Today I'm back with Cameron for day 2.
Yep.
He's dressed exactly the same, but I swear to God, this is day 2.
Different jeans, They're tighter.
Also, this is like back to back. So
yeah, this
we
is
did
literally
day 1 yesterday.
Yeah. I mean, I'm just hoping this is Cameron's greatest hits right today. Just
Any last word before we start?
let's just fucking do this. You
Okay.
know? Let's just fucking go. Excuse me. You don't mind if I stop you? I thought you were really pretty.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Okay. Just saw me and she was like, no. So it made me feel bad.
Even if someone is not interested in you, even if someone is not attracted to you, there's no reason that an interaction shouldn't be pleasant. There's no reason that this person shouldn't smile, that you shouldn't like have a little bit of an exchange. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So the fact that she was basically like, cut this, like I don't want to have anything to do with you.
Yeah.
That is from your energy.
I mean, okay, so I passed like this, I don't know, boundary where I decide whether I want to go up or not, right? And then I end up doing it. Every single time I've done this, I always become like, I have overwhelmed with anxiety, and it honestly
so
brings my energy down.
That's why you get those reactions, because people they don't want to be anxious. So if you're gonna make them anxious, they don't want it.
Okay.
2 hours later.
Why are you so sad, Cameron?
Yeah. I just have a weird energy I really can't kick right now. It's really hard to.
Should we do something to make you feel happy? Do you want an ice cream? Do you want
Ice cream won't help.
what can I do? You want
No, dude,
a
it's
matcha latte?
the-
you want
the-
to get it?
the common denominator is freaking me, so I have to figure out why I'm so fucked up right now. It's so hard to do anything right now, and I don't know what it is.
It's okay, we'll snap out of it. Okay?
Yes.
Worst case, if in 20 minutes you don't feel better, we get ice cream.
Okay. That's fair. Deal. Yeah, there's a lot of squirrels here, don't you think?
Wait, did I talk to you before?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Sorry. I mean, what are you reading?
Romance?
Romance? I don't believe you. Oh,
Yeah.
what's it about?
Coworkers?
Don't fuck your coworkers. Alright, fine.
I thought you were someone else. Sorry.
You speak to all the girls?
I try to. You know, I wanted to be social today.
It's good.
Because I have a lot of anxiety, you know. It's like exposure therapy. You do it a lot, then you get over it, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. Like, why are you reading about romance and not like...
They found.
Yeah, but there's excitement in real life. There's no excitement in this either. You know? What's your name at least? I gotta know who I'm talking
I
to.
don't even give you these things.
That's okay. I'm not... we're past that. What, is it Russian or something?
No. Kurdish.
What's a Kurd doing here?
Visiting my sister.
Oh yeah? How long you staying?
2 weeks.
Do you know who Dostoevsky is? Like the writer.
Yeah.
That's kind of like what I read. I mean, yeah, a lot of girls like reading romance novels. It's the shit, yeah? Maybe.
It's a series actually. It's the second book.
Oh, how many books are there?
4.
4 books, okay. Okay. Was it a different man each time, or?
No, it's actually each book is about each brother.
Each brother?
Yeah.
Whoa, so she's just getting ran through by the brothers. Wow, okay. I think that's like kind of, I don't know, is that speaking, was that what you're into? You just want to?
No.
Yeah, no, okay.
No.
Oh, the squirrels are fighting.
so cute.
The squirrels?
Yeah.
Yeah. I wish you can keep a squirrel as a pet.
No.
That'd be no. Why not? That'd be cool. It'd be like, whoa, you got a squirrel?
No, my dog's enough.
Your dog's enough. I have like 2 cats. No, you fucking hate cats. Yeah, say it. Yeah. A lot of people don't like cats. They say they're an invasive species. I'm like, chill out. The most they do is just like lay down. No, okay. Well, back.
No, then they will attack you.
Attack you.
Yeah. They do.
Explain one instance where you gotten. Have you been attacked by a cat?
No, but animal loves me, so they wouldn't, because wouldn't attack me because animal loves me.
Okay.
I don't,
Is it time for you to leave?
yeah, I'm gonna meet up with sister.
Nice. It was nice talking to you. You won't have to see me ever again. If that means anything.
You never know. I saw you 2 times today.
Book cover, that's pretty prudent. Okay. Alright, well.
I actually made it.
You made it yourself. I remember in like grade school, like typically book covers, you make them out of like paper bags, you know, you cut them up and then you put it
I
on the
made it
bag.
from my old shirt.
Oh, an old shirt.
Until I can buy one.
Oh. Well,
Have a good day.
yeah, have a good one. I can't even believe that happened. Like I literally saw the same person that rejected me maybe an hour ago. Isn't that crazy?
That is crazy. You know, that's also to show that at the beginning, you know, it didn't happen, but it was because of the vibe, you know, because
Yeah.
here it happened, it was fine.
Yeah.
So it wasn't something inherently about you as a person, it's just the vibe, you know?
That proved it to me for sure. Like at first I was like, nah, that can't be true. It had to be like, I don't know, something about me that I can't change. But yeah, it's the vibe, 100%. Like I think that was a good interaction.
That was
for sure.
good, yeah, it was long.
It was long, yeah.
So at the end, why didn't you say, like, let's get a drink or something? Why didn't you, like...
So I'm doing this so I can find a relationship, right? And like, if she's leaving in 2 weeks and she lives in Sweden, probably not. And also, I was just glad to like have some sort of like, I wouldn't call it closure, but like an extensive interaction with the same person. I feel great, anyways. Like just, you know, I didn't need the number, I didn't need the Instagram. It's like, what am I gonna do with the Instagram, right? Just being able to talk to her was great.
So, I just want to bring your attention to one thing.
Yeah, go ahead.
Is, you know, right now you're making a point about, you know, like basically 10 moves into the future.
Yeah.
You don't know what's around the corner. So if in the moment you feel like you want to stay in touch with someone, just do it. You never know what can happen.
On this mission here, I think that might actually be like the last learning curve. It's just like probably just not thinking that, just thinking 10 steps ahead, just be in the moment. That's probably the last thing.
You know, you never know. Like, what I'm saying is like, do what you want and think about it later.
Okay. I feel better because like, so far I haven't been able to have like a long conversation with anyone, and because it was the same person that blew me off before, it's like, hey, maybe the energy wasn't right. I have to do it from a different angle. Like go at it from a different angle.
The feedback is you gave her that fucking stupid ass line about the squirrel again.
There's a lot of squirrels, man.
Look at how happy you look now.
I
Smiling.
just needed one good ass
literally for the last 2
combo.
hours he was working.
Every
like,
combo
he's
before
like,
this was ass.
Like he was just prawning like the whole time.
Every combo before this was ass until now. I'm happy. That's right. That's right. I want the smoke now. Here we go.
Fuck. Yeah, I was getting depressed.
Yeah, fuck, dude. Yeah. Seriously.
I just wanted people to notice how the muscles of his face makes him just look way happier. Look at this, bro. You're shining.
Like a Calvin Klein model. I'm smiling. Ruben's just attracted to my smile. He doesn't want to fucking say it. Ladies, am I interrupting? No, you're good. All right. Just want to tell you guys look beautiful today. Just want to tell you.
You're so sweet.
What's the move? What are you guys doing?
Going home?
You're going home? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. You guys live nearby or?
No.
Nordstrom, nice.
Huh?
No, I was complimenting that you went to Nordstrom. Good choice. Are you from San Diego? Is that why?
No, I just visited.
You can't beat this weather. It's Instagram-esque day outside.
I know, right? Beautiful. It's really
Yeah.
nice.
I'm just trying to be more social. You know?
Oh, you're sweet. No, that
course.
was really nice. Yeah.
Wait, you watch soccer?
My boyfriend is
Your boyfriend
a fan,
likes
so
it.
I just took his jacket. No, pangalawa.
Oh, take it. You guys are all taken.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You don't see her ring?
Fuck it, whatever. I'm just trying to be cool.
What's your name?
Cameron.
Cameron?
What are your names? Great.
Yeah.
So how you guys live too far? Or, I mean, you guys are
We
walking,
have a
so
drive, yeah.
a little drive.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, I was thinking of like going to Venice afterwards.
You're going to Venice?
Yeah.
That's cool. You're so cute. Well, it was nice to meet you.
Yeah, of
Have a
course.
good day. It was
I think you guys.
Yeah.
Well, that one was kind of funny.
I mean, come on, like your vibe is like.
Immaculate when I get into it. So, yeah, they were receptive for sure. Yeah.
But they were just mirroring that you were also comfortable.
Yeah.
You're saying things that makes me feel that you don't believe in yourself so much. For example, you say, "Oh, like, are you all taken?" You know, like it's like your default state is to assume that this is all impossible. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's true.
You know, your anxiety also shines through when you say, "Oh, I'm just trying to be more social."
Yeah, that's true.
You know,
That was definitely a
This
crutch.
is, you're so not present that you're narrating like what's going on in your life. Basically.
Yeah, for sure.
So try to be more present. I feel like, compared to yesterday, this and the previous interaction are an order of magnitude more comfortable. Would you agree?
Yeah, sorry for being quality over quantity today, but yeah. It's a nice skateboard you got, did you?
Oh, it's a rental.
It's a rental?
Yeah,
Where'd you get
it's
it?
a rental. I like a place up here.
Oh, really? I don't really skateboard, but like Venice, there's not a lot of benches. You know what I mean? So
Oh, okay, gotcha.
I feel like I'm getting a blister like right now. I've been walking all day with my friend.
Right, for sure.
You're beautiful. What's your name? Cameron.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
you. Sorry, I'm gonna.
Oh, did you fist bump?
We'll fist bump. Hell. Yeah.
Where are you headed? What's the move?
I'm gonna go return this and go home. Yeah. It was nice to meet you.
Oh, I can't get your number? Seriously?
I'm sorry.
Oh my god. Okay. Have a good one.
You need to be more comfortable turning the interaction to the real reasons. Like you need to build that confidence.
Yeah.
So then you had kind of a weird reaction where you were like, "Oh, you're not gonna give me your number? Seriously?" Like, first of all, you're not collectioning for numbers. What you want is to see the person again. And second of all, the way you said it, like as if like she owes you something.
That's true, yeah.
Like, she doesn't owe you anything.
Yeah.
Don't,
That was kind of silly.
you know what I mean? Like that's like don't like come out of this mindset. That's not good. It's not healthy.
Okay.
Okay, Cameron. So how was today?
It was good. I felt like the interactions I had today were like of more quality. It wasn't just me getting like, what would you say, like shut down immediately. They were longer. Which honestly made the idea of approaching more comfortable to me. Honestly, these 2 days so far have been just me at war with my mind, really. So, just do it, boys. Just do it.